Well, it's our last evening here, I think. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday. It's our last evening here. I actually enjoyed it, it's quite nice. Would I come back? Yeah, I think I would. Really nice. Nice and hot. Lovely weather. Hotel's nice. Food was nice. I got used to the food in the end, to be fair. I'm a bit of a fussy eater, but it's been better the last few days. Bacon's been proper English bacon. And what else have we had? Oh, we've had, obviously there's mussels and salmon. They cater for all nationalities, to be fair. And yeah, it's been really good. I've enjoyed it. Bit of a pain when the old masks on and off every now and again, but yeah, we'll be back. I'll miss the place. Good evening. Yeah, last night in Palma Nova, tonight at the hotel Fergus Bermudas in Palma Nova. Can't go mad tonight. The last couple of days started getting eaten alive by bloody mozzies, so we've got the mozzie cream available now. Just waiting for, I think it's a Beatles tribute band to come on. But look forward to that. But can't go mad tonight. A few beers early night, I think. Oh, a few free beers it is. Cheers.
Tonight is gonna be the Fab 2 because as we established, you guys are all inclusive and we could not fit the band in the budget. Now you got the 2 good ones. She's got a ticket to ride, she don't care. I don't know why she's running so high. She got a thing right, she got a do right by me.
Why is the best night? Why is the last night your best night? All you need is love, love. Oh, love is all you need. There's nothing you can know that can't be known. Get back to where you once belong. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. Get back to can't go mad tonight, got that. No one thinks the other. All the lonely people. All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? No one comes near. What does he care? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? Cheerio, people. Bye. That's it, home.